Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to do an unboxing of this Pipeliner's Cloud umbrella. I've known about Pipeliner's Cloud umbrella for a long time. A lot of buddies of mine have them. They're literally a have-to, in my opinion, just because they're so much tougher than the Lapco. They hold up to the wind. They're just more stout and they cover more ground. And if you know anything about me, you know I get motivated by shade. So comes in a long box, pipelinerscloud.com. 100% welder owned and operated. Thanks for being our valued client. Also, for those of you that have been curious where I get my white welding caps, I also get them from Pipeliner's Cloud. I love what Manuel is doing. I've never met Manuel in person. I've just watched the video there on his website. Carry inspired welding caps, the softest in the game. Those are the kind that I wear, are the original Carries. They have a couple more over there that I really like. A buddy of mine bought some, and he's just doing good stuff. Manuel and his team is doing good stuff. They're at Pipeliner's Cloud. Quality product we have here. Like I said, I've heard a lot of good about them, and I'm so excited about this big umbrella. This is an 8-foot in diameter umbrella. A buddy of mine that has them, it looks like an extension there. A buddy of mine that has one said it's work to put it up, but he said it's totally worth it. So looky here, looky here. All right, all right. Okay. Wow. Look at how cool that is. Ladies and gents, I'm digging it. I'm absolutely digging it. Whoa. I'm afraid to put it in my vise. A lot of times I put it in my vise. But I've got my slam pole here too that I'll try it in here in a minute. Oh yeah, I gotta see what y'all can see. Oh yeah, look at that. 8 foot in diameter. And to give you a little perspective, I should really measure. I want to say these are 6 foot in diameter. Let's measure this one. I believe it's 6 foot. Bear with me, bear with me. I am ill prepared. A little over, possibly 3.5. 3.5 is what, 7? So 7 foot in diameter. Just under, like, inch or two under 8 foot in diameter. Yeah, like an inch under. 95 inches when spread out. Okay, now let's put this slam pole in the ground. They have these over there at Pipeliner's Cloud also. I built that one, but they do have them. Ooh. It's got little rivets on it. I don't want to force it, may not get it out of there, but I mean, it is clearly wider, but the main deal about this umbrella is it's a lot tougher. Hold up to the wind. It'll go all the way inside out. Yeah, this one's 2 inches shy of 7 foot, so 1 foot wider in diameter. Like I said, they make a 10 foot also. I've heard it's really heavy, but that wasn't near as bad to get up as I thought it was. But I mean, a quality product. They've got a video, some of you have probably seen, of the wind. They drive it down the road and the wind flops it backwards, but then it easily pops back. So the wind is not supposed to. They were driving down the road, so you normally wouldn't get that kind of wind if they were just doing like a test. But anyway, supposed to hold up to the wind, but even if it does flip back, let's get a close-up of this so y'all can see what I'm staring at here. It's just got a totally different design. I'll just let y'all study that instead of trying to act like I know how it's built. I ain't got no idea. I just know it's got these extra thingy-ma-whoppers here. It's got the shorter ma-whoppers there, and then the original ma-whoppers as to where you can see this guy just got 2 different ma-whoppers, and not as many, it looks like. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're already at 8 1/4, so I'm guessing 8 times 4 is what, 32? I'm just guessing. 32 rails, or 32 little things instead of 8. So this is why I've been so excited. They are pricey, but you know the age-old saying, you get what you pay for. That's what's kept my tightwad from buying one this whole time, but I have been sold on them for a really long time. Looks like he's got a little pin here too to, oh yeah, safety measure, keep her locked in place. Anyhow, I am super pumped about this thing, if you can't tell. So that's a little short review and unboxing, if you will. It comes with the tube, obviously, which is cool. It is 7.5. Well, with the lid, 7.5. In case you need to build something to fit your pipeliner's cloud. 7.5 by, call it 57 inches. Oh, one more thing I wanted to try is this. Look at this. It's threaded. Those umbrellas come with an extension tube, but they're not threaded. This looks, I don't know if it's aluminum or metal, but either way, it's threaded. That's what these rivets are. Therefore, making it that much more quality, which is super cool. Oh yeah. You better believe it. Oh. Yes, that is what I'm talking about now. Wow. That is where it's at. Not only is this good for the old welding truck, it would actually make a good gift for your mother-in-law, your mother, your grandparents, for their picnic area, because this is super stout, better than any old picnic umbrella that you can get from the Lowe's. Hello, 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 kind of echoes under here. Anyway, that's gonna wrap it up for this video. Just wanted to show you all this awesome umbrella. Thanks for watching. For more helpful resources, check out our website, AROSSWELDING.com. We've got several tools listed over there. We've also got a trade school where you can find the pipe fence course and the quick rig course if you're looking to build a welding rig in a short amount of time on a budget. Check out our trade school website, AROSSWELDING.school. Thank you for being here and watching, and thank you, Pipeliners Cloud, for making quality products. We'll see you next time, and remember, learn something every day. Where am I going to put this thing? I'm going to have to build a new welding bed real quick.